Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's full 2025 guide, I'm going to show you exactly how to create embedded and pop-up forms in Mailerlite. Whether you're building your email list or launching a new campaign, these forms are a must-have. Stick with me to the end because I'll share a few pro tips that will make your forms look stunning and match your brand perfectly. Log into Mailerlite first. Head over to Mailerlite.com and sign into your account. If you have a Google account, you can hit Sign in with Google for a quick login. This takes you directly to your dashboard where all the magic happens. Navigate to the Forms section. On the left-hand menu, click Forms. This is your control center for creating and managing every type of sign-up form you'll ever need. Create a new form. Click the Create Form button. Mailerlite will now ask you to choose between embedded form and pop-up form. Embedded forms stay visible on a page, perfect for blog sidebars, landing pages, or your website's footer. Pop-up forms appear when triggered by user actions, such as scrolling or spending a few seconds on a page. For this tutorial, let's start with embedded forms, but the process is nearly identical for pop-ups. Name your form and assign a group. Give your form a clear descriptive name like Newsletter Signup or Product Launch Waitlist. Then choose the subscriber group you want new signups to join. Groups help you keep your audience organized. Design your form. This is where you can really showcase your brand. Background, add your brand colors, or an image for personality. Form fields. Decide what info to collect, usually name and email, but you can add more if needed. Fonts and text styles. Pick fonts and sizes that match your website and ensure readability. Layout and elements. Adjust spacing and alignment for a clean, professional look. Submit button. Use a bold color and a call to action like Join Now or Get Updates. When everything looks perfect, click Done Editing. Embed or activate your form. Mailerlite provides a code snippet on the form's overview page. Copy it and paste it into your website's HTML where you want the form to appear. That's it. Your embedded form is live and ready to collect subscribers. For a pop-up form, after designing it, you'll simply toggle it on, set the trigger like exit, intent, or scroll percentage, and Mailerlite handles the rest. And that's the full 2025 guide to creating embedded and pop-up forms in Mailerlite. Now you can start capturing leads and growing your email list like a pro. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more step-by-step guides, and share it with anyone looking to supercharge their email marketing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.